First, let's define what is static electricity. It is a buildup of an electric charge on an object. When we say static, it means something that doesn't move. An atom is the smallest unit of matter. It has 3 subatomic particles. These are electrons with negative charge, proton with positive charge, and neutron with zero charge. In this video I'm going to show you the 2 experiments of static electricity. First is the attraction of pepper and salt to a comb that is rubbed in cotton cloth. Second is the attraction of paper to a comb that is rubbed through hair. Materials needed are salt, pepper, comb, cotton cloth, and small dish. Then follow these procedures. Now, let's observe the following clips. What do you think are the reasons behind this experiment? Initially, a plastic comb is electrically neutral. But once it is rubbed on the cotton cloth that is negatively charged, the electron of the cloth will transfer to the plastic comb, making it negatively charged. The pepper and salt are both positively charged, which means they will form a natural attraction to the static from the comb. When the comb is slowly placed above the pepper, its particles fly up and attracts easily the salt. The attraction of pepper grains to the comb has 2 reasons. First, the grains of pepper is much lighter than grains of salt. If any salt jumps up to the comb, it will likely fall back because it is too heavy. Second, is because of the idea of unlike electric charge attract. The comb is negatively charged, so it attracts the positive charge in the grains of pepper. How? It's because the pepper polarizes easily, meaning, the electron moves to one end of the pepper grain, and the protons move to the other end, leaving one end of the pepper grain with a negative charge, and the other end with a positive charge. So the pepper grains attract to the comb. Unlike pepper, salt doesn't polarize quickly. And that's how the first experiment works. Materials needed in experiment 2 are comb and torn out pieces of paper. Then follow these procedures. Try to observe the next 2 clips, then answer this question. The answer is, it is easier to get an electrostatic effect on dry air than on moist hair. Why? The water molecules can collect on the surface of various materials when the air is humid, which can prevent the accumulation of electrical charges. Next, air humidity makes the air more conductive, which allows it to absorb and distribute excess charges more evenly. As water conducts electricity, the presence of humidity in the air allows static electricity to escape from objects. Now, why would the torn paper be more attractive to comb than cut paper? Torn paper and cut paper were observed under the microscope. Torn paper attracts easily because the charge accumulates more on sharp points than edges. The torn paper has more sharp points compared to cut paper. In general, why did the comb attract the paper? Again, the comb has a neutral charge. But once it is rubbed in our dry hair with a negative charge, the electron of the hair transferred to the comb, making it negative. The charged comb induces an opposite charge in the paper. As opposite charges attract, the paper sticks to the comb. And that's how the second experiment works. Hope you learned the science behind these two experiments of static electricity.